If there is one body part that you should not be struggling to train at home, it is the abdominals. Yet the abs are one of the most neglected body parts of any training program. Traditionally, ab training is done using little to no equipment with an emphasis on burning out the muscle rather than the quality of each rep and exercise. This was driven by the belief that you could lose fat by targeting a specific area of the body and constantly working that area. So hey everyone, this is your Mad Army and we are back again with another video titled 5 Best Exercises for Flat Tummy at Home. Thanks to modern sports science, we know that this is not the case. We cannot spot reduce fat, but this is not to say we can't learn anything from our fitness mistakes. These bodyweight ab exercises are great for developing the core muscles and can be done at home with no equipment whatsoever. Number 1. Crunches. The crunch remains the best known exercise for your abs, and with good reason. They work the entire abdominal area and achieve a great contraction with every rep. Lie flat your back with your knees bent and lay flat on the floor. Contracting your abdominal muscles bring your rib cage closer to your hips. Your extreme lower back should remain on the floor. Squeeze tight and return to the start position with your back flat on the ground. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps to start. Increase the reps as you progress. Number 2. Heel taps. Lie flat on your back with your feet flat on the ground. Your feet and knees should be together and tucked high close to your glutes. With your hands at your sides, contract your left obliques to touch your left heel with your left hand. And then immediately contract your right obliques to touch your right heel with your right hand. This counts as 1 rep. Keep repeating this movement for the desired sets and reps. Perform 3 sets of 30 to start and progress as you get better. Number 3. Plank. A little different than the previous examples, the plank uses all the core muscles in the way we use them the most. As a stabilizers for the rest of the body, it can be a real mental battle as it's you against the clock on its one. Assume a press-up position, except balance your forearms on the ground with clenched fists at about the same position as your shoulders. Brace the body and hold this position. Hold for 3 sets of 30 seconds to start with. Increase the times as you get better. Rest for same amount of time that you work. 4. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers utilize both contraction and stabilization. They can be used as conditioning to increase work capacity and function as a great dynamic exercise. Assume the press-up position. Keeping your torso stable, bring your right knee up to your chest. You may touch the ground with the ball of your right foot or keep your foot suspended. Repeat the motion with the left leg while simultaneously bringing your right leg to the starting position. Perform 20 on each leg to start with for 4 sets each. Number 5. Bicycle. A dynamic variation of the crunch, this exercise keeps things interesting and targets the obliques and serratus anterior as well as the abdominals. Start in the crunch position with your hands at your forehead so that your elbows are bent. Bend both your knees slightly and keep your feet elevated. Contract your abs as you bring your left elbow and right knee in so that they nearly touch. Repeat for the other side while simultaneously returning your right knee to the start position. 30 reps for each side is good of 3 sets. Increase the time as you get better work to a work-rest ratio of 1:1. Take home message. There isn't an excuse to train your abdominal now you are armed with the best ab exercises you can do at home. The abs are not just an aesthetic fixture to the body, and they are often overlooked because they are not often on the show. But always remember that the trunk of the tree is always stronger than its branches. No matter what your fitness goals are, the core is king when it comes to achieving them. I hope you really enjoyed our today's video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon for more quality fitness content like this.